By that time to get focused, need to get a hold of this moment. Take a little help to get noticed. Life will never be the same. I can really use some motion. For too long we been coasting. Oh, I got my mind on a mission to waste no time. Nothing's gonna break my stride because I can feel the call from every street. It's saying don't slow down. I can hear the universe speak. Get out there, my fist up high.
Send it, bro.
Set the world on fire. Fall apart in a moment, never going back again. Now that I got everything.
You feel? Have you seen it all? Have you had enough? It's a jagged pill you've been choking on. You gotta cough it up. Ain't it fun to forget your mind when you ride away? Summertime is only one more breath away. Just one more breath away.
What is up, guys? HaydenBradley here. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification down below to stay up to date with all my next new videos. It's always an epic time getting down in Florida. I've been traveling back and forth there most of the past year, and I gotta say, it's the most exciting year that I've had in my life. I mean, who wouldn't want summer year round, right? All right, enough of the small talk. Let's get into the real stuff. The reason why you guys are all watching to the end of this video. A brand new Canon 4000D DSLR camera bundle. Comes with the camera, the lens, the SD card, camera bag, HD filters, you name it, you got it. If you're trying to get into photography or some vlogging, this is what you need right here. All you have to do is like, comment, on this YouTube video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, well then I guess you'll miss out because I'll be announcing the winner on my Instagram story in the next month. So one of you guys, you're gonna get lucky. But until then, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I will see you guys in the next video. I might even have another giveaway. Guess you'll have to find out. Peace.
Stuck inside